Okay, so what we'll do is go towards Aston-on-Trent. Indicators, got into gear, okay. Now I bet this learner goes right, but that's where I'm going. So. You really do need to be what's the word? Keeping aware all the time of traffic and everything. Like doing this, you know, I think part of the skill that I got to acquire is best practice, you know, the riding comes first and camera and talking comes second. Go towards Aston-on-Trent. So like a car you would stop here, but I'm looking at the wing of that van, there's nothing there, nobody there, it's not going to open. So what I'm doing here is I am watching all these cars. Any signs of life. Because there wouldn't be much fun to get in the door. God, it's amazing how there's such a wind. It's just amazing how the people carry on working. I have to, I guess, but carry on working, it's really hot. Oh my goodness, how do they do it? I suppose well, they're tough. So I'm right here. Oh, okay. Might have been interesting to I just remember there's roadworks up there. I wonder if they're finished. So far so good. Yes. Oh, there we are. Yeah. No. That's the lights. Yes. Yeah, the lights confirmed. They're doing, I think it's sewer work. The camera is picking this up, doesn't matter so much about the microphone. It's not all you can hear the engine. It's a nice day. It's supposed to rain at some point, or showers, no everything. So far, very good. Yeah, hopefully it's recording well because coming up to a really nice bit. Walkstone Road, so we're heading towards Walkstone basically, from the bridge. And, rain's held off so far. I'll hang back because it's like this one corner railway. Here's a nice bit. It's growing, isn't it? Yeah. It's such a brief view, isn't it? It's lovely, isn't it? Sweet around and yeah. Just like, if you just went a bit longer, but well, it's not past it, isn't it? This looks really nice living here. Keep an eye on the road. Look at these houses. That's what I mean about how these done up houses look a bit austere, whereas they look lovely. Road cottages, terrace, but yeah, it's a bridge here. The lorry got broke down under there last year. Somebody found it warmly as a approach, so that was good. Not that I've really gone into it. Anyway, look, it's a continuation of the I love this, although it's short, this arch split here. They're not getting fast, really. They just need to keep a healthy eye on these corners. Especially you don't really get many. I don't think you get horses so much down here, but you do have to look for crap in the road. Look at that, see a bit of wood. Now you don't want to hit that. Lavender there, so it's lost its colour though. It's so glorious. Just a couple of weeks ago. I think this hot weather we've had is really dulled all the colours, but it could be just the season, I don't know. Right, same left here. It's a tidy this. I'm looking to look forward till I stop. What I can do. I just don't feel confident to I'm very careful. I passed my test in 2007 with direct access for 1 year. That was like 1 year. 1 week direct access. Oh, that was a killer. That's how I found it. But in fact, I nearly failed. I nearly failed on the anybody else with a couple of questions after the bit when you've been riding, you know. And the examiner said, well, really, I was looking for blah, blah. So really he gave me the nod through. But, you know, it wasn't really cheating, it was just, it wasn't cheating. Probably the fact that it was direct access, probably, so, give you the benefit of the doubt. But anyway, so yeah, and then, a bit like the all-year-round motorcyclist term, I was riding to work every day, and I was riding to work all year round. The only thing that stopped me, look at it, Swartstone Bridge, sorry. beautiful. Yeah, the only thing that stopped me is when it was totally impossible to ride. But anyway, the thing about this bridge is that during that week-long direct access scheme with me, we did a lot of riding. It's like a long day, just in the saddle all day, and I was like actually brain dead, and then we suddenly came across this bridge. And I thought, oh my God, this is fantastic. And it's not that far from where we live. I've never seen it before, and it's beautiful. And do you know what? I spent the next, it's something like 15 years. 15 years, no, 15 years looking for it. Didn't know it was here, and then it was only, I think it was just before Christmas. August this year. Actually, cracking road there. I found it. And I couldn't believe it. It's, I forget, it's the southernmost extent of Winnicott Charlie. You couldn't advance any further south. There's that river and everything, and yeah, just couldn't. Supplies and whatnot. So, yeah. It's the oldest continuous span, stone bridge. Over in England with the UK, I think it might be. Now Donington's not far away from the airport, so you can see an aeroplane on it. Excuse me, just taken off. There it is. We'll be able to see it. Coming up to Donington, see Donington Park. Oh, Staunton, there's a while to check this out. Yeah, it's that stone bridge. It's lovely. I want to explore all around there, so I can take the camera around. I don't really. I'm not a serious YouTuber. I'm not going to go this for fun, really. You know, it's just things to set up nice. So I don't know what to do. I just film riding, and hopefully it'll prompt me to be less lazy. And well, I'm not lazy. It's just the practical. I'm going to try and visit places and film like, got a regular route, not a path, it's really lovely. It's just on our doorstep really, so, excuse me. So I'll try to, what I'm not about is, like, long distance trips or anything like that. Because people like, I would imagine about 90% of the people that watch YouTube channels and things, it's not so much escapism, but yeah, I love watching Freddie Dobbs, for instance. He's great. I mean, and he's bonkers in a nice way. I don't really ask him, he just says bonkers. It just goes off and things like recently to what was it? Not Iceland, Norway. So, yeah, that's definitely not me. This is like, I'm a bit of, I suppose I can do the idea of Sunday drive. Well, I suppose I'm a bunch of Sunday motorbike this, because I'm retired. I get the, sort of the privilege, absolute privilege of being able to just go off, doing the day, during the week. But today, so it's about midday, Monday the 14th. There we're heading up to Donington. So when the download's on, it all starts about here. There's signs saying, you know, parking and this and that. Oh, it's beekeepers thing. I wonder if it's a little pest control or beekeeper. So here it really starts. Super bikes, yeah, because there's super bikes at the weekend. In some ways, those sort of cypress looking trees reminds me of France. Wedding venue for son and your daughter-in-law. It's lovely, lovely place. Recommend it if you want a wedding around this area. Very lucky with the weather as well.